In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Buffer's AI assistant to create and reuse captions efficiently. First, open Buffer. From your dashboard, click plus New Post to jump straight into composing, or open Create and choose Ideas if you prefer to brainstorm first. Once you're in either space, select AI Assistant. This is where the magic happens, but it works best when you guide it with a clear, focused prompt. Before you generate anything, take a moment to write a precise instruction. Instead of being vague, tell it the platform and the purpose. For example, you might say, write a TikTok caption about sleeping tips, or create a LinkedIn post about productivity. If you have a tone in mind, friendly, as an expert, or playful, include that. Clear inputs lead to stronger drafts and fewer rounds of revision. Resist the urge to click. Generate over and over with random prompts. Repeated, unfocused prompts can bury you in options and slow you down. Start with one thoughtful idea, then work from it. Rather than creating completely new content each time, reuse and edit the captions you already like. Highlight a draft and use the built-in tools. Rephrase to change the wording while keeping the meaning, shorten to make it punchier, or expand to add helpful context. This approach keeps your voice consistent and saves a lot of time. When you land on something good, don't let it get lost. Save strong captions to ideas for future inspiration, move in-progress work to drafts, and store evergreen versions in templates so you can repurpose them quickly. From a single idea, you can generate multiple platform-ready captions. Start with the core message, then ask the AI assistant to adapt it for different networks, keeping length and style aligned with each platform's norms. This helps you stay consistent across channels without rewriting from scratch. Before you generate again, pause and review what you have. Check accuracy, clarity, and brand fit. Make quick edits, then decide whether you actually need a new version or just a small tweak using rephrase, shorten, or expand. A careful review keeps your cue clean and intentional. Finally, return to ideas, drafts, or templates whenever you need a head start. With a thoughtful prompt and mindful reuse, Buffer's AI assistant becomes a reliable partner, helping you create better captions faster without sacrificing your unique voice.